Hey, just Ron here is going to start doing an unboxing for House Foods curry sauce with vegetables. This is one of the packages you open up. I'm going to do a two-part series. I'm going to also cook another type of curry as well. Look at the directions in the back. You just use a pot on your stove, put water in it, put the sauce packet in, and enjoy. It only takes a couple of minutes. Very easy. I've already made my rice, so let's open up. Here's the package here. Like I said, the directions are on the front here. Very simple. All you need is a pot. You may want to get a clean pot. And then fill it with water. Place this inside the pot and put it in your stove. Go over to your stove. Turn it on high or medium high. Alright, now that the water's getting hot, we're going to go ahead and place our package inside and just let it warm up for about 5 minutes or so. Alright, so the next step is to get some rice hot. I already have my chicken here, so I'm going to put some chicken on top.
If you actually want to see justice served in America, they should just make a documentary about it. Because then all of a sudden, something happens. Someone gets killed, documentary. That person stands trial. Wait, there's a new
Alright. Cover that up. Alright, now we're just going to add the curry sauce on top of that. Just take it out of the water here. Then just pour that on your chicken. Very, very hot. Pour it on your rice and chicken. There's your finished product. Here. Just toss that in the trash can. Alright.